This is from Pantilla in the day,
Weewaawo mwasuze mutya atera musibi mutya balungi abagalwa bampuliriza mbanirizaako ku Fefeja the News anka mu dakiika eno yennyini ennaku n'ennyiike ebutikidde abakozi ba Daily Monitor wamu ne NTV oluvannyuma lw'okuvibwako munnamawulire abadde agasakira mu disitulikiti ey'e Mubende era ng'ono yabadde amanyiddwa nga Magembe Sabiti kigambibwa nti atomeddwa emmotoka kika kya taxi ku nkya ya leero era bw'atyo n'addusibwa mu ddwaliro ery'e Mubende asobole okuba ng'afuna obujjanjabi wabula ng'ate tasobodde kuwona mu ddwaliro Feride bwatyo Mungu bwamututte awumule mirembe mu bufu bwe bumu omukulu amanyiddwa nga Ibrahim Dafala naye bwatyo Mungu amujjuludde mu bulamu bw'ensi eno ku myaka 86 egy'obukulu omukulu ono kigambibwa nti yaliko mu ttiimu ya Uganda Cranes era nga yagisambira akapiira okumala emyaka 15 mirambira wabula ng'ate bamwogerako nga omwami eyali akyasinze okubeera n'empisa mu ba footballers abasambiddeko mu ttiimu eyo ne gye buli eno bamutenda empisa mu bufunze tewannabaawo amukira mu bwetowaze n'obuntu bulamu Mungu amuwumuza era nga tumusabire awumule emirembe so nga ate okudda esaidi eno kigambibwa nti emmotoka eyajje ya UPDF ebaddemu abasirikale b'Abajjasi bana bwe bati bagenze mu maaso okuba nga ate bayingira mu ggaali y'omukka esosootodde emmotoka mwe babadde era nga bo bagendedde ku bisago babatutte mu ddwaliro nga si birungi bino bituuseewo wali eri mu bitundu by'e Kireka.
Weewaawo tuli mu bitundu by'e Kireka patro oba kabangali y'amagye ebadde esala ekkubo ng'ebeekireka ng'edda kkubo eridde ewa Kabaka etomeddwa eggaali y'omugga giyite train era abamagye ababaddemu nnange bafunye obuzibu. This is good talent abamagye ababaddemu ebakoonye era babasalayo busazi na byuma babasalayo na driru mbazzi wano ze zikaaba munnange abamagye eggaali y'omukka ebakoonye era balemedde mu kitundu kino eno munnange bakyalwa n'okulaba nga babajjayo naye embeera si nnungi n'akamu n'akettono. Ebitundu by'Ekireka abantu bangi bakwatiridde embeera nga bw'ogira abasirikale bonna mu poliisi mu magye militale buli kitundu kivudde ne babasala mu busazi na byuma naye embeera ekyakalubye.
Bakyaliyo balamu eremeddwa
Yes, olunaku olw'eggulo nakunyonyodde ne nkutegeeza nti oluvannyuma lw'ebbanga eriwererako ddala ng'omuwami amanyiddwa nga Fred Nyanzi yeetala mu kkooti oluvannyuma lw'okuwawaabira ensonga ze ng'agamba nti akalulu ke kabbibwa era nga kaweebwa omukulu amanyiddwa nga Muhammad Nsereko. Omusango ogwo gwagobeddwa wabula nga ye agamba nti si mumativu n'embeera eri ku ground.
After this ruling, Ugandans will now know and they must be aware that I've tried to do what is expected to do by me with the guidelines of the law. I've followed the law. As you all know, justice delayed is justice denied. This ruling was supposed to we are supposed to have this ruling about 1.5 weeks ago. But until today, we are not, very certain why there was a lot of delay. And unfortunately, the judge who was supposed to read this, to give us this ruling, is not the one who has appeared in court. Someone else came and read the ruling. So we are still suspicious that this ruling was not made by the judge who handled the matter. Secondly, you all know that I've been following the law. I have fought in this matter. I first applied for the count, which was denied to me, and to other people it was given, it was offered. I came to court and applied, and petitioned After 3 days, the respondent ran out of the country. We applied for substitute service, which court denied us. They told us to serve the same man who was stubborn, very, very stubborn, and they had to serve. But we effected service as the ruling had mentioned. Now, it so happens that they have strangled our case. They have strangled this petition. At primarily, the grounds have not been heard by Ugandans. Everything is now kept under cover.
Elected member of parliament is the one that has been sworn in. Of course, or it's me who was sworn in. Of course, the law gives gap for those that are dissatisfied to petition. And for sure, he did, starting with the recount where he lost miserably. He said he would proceed to the higher court, and he has been beaten on a point, a preliminary objection. And that is acceptable in law. So, we cannot confuse law with drama or fiction. The law is the law. He went and sought orders to serve, and the issue is that you must exhaust those orders. Did you exhaust the remedies? The answer is no. So you cannot play around on people's sentiments by coming to play clean in this matter. In my opinion, I would like to say categorically clear that on the point of law, I welcome the ruling of court. And people should not blackmail courts by using sentiments that are geared towards creating hatred towards their nemesis, people that they have vied against, because you gave him a lot of airtime to utter his rubbish. I decided to keep quiet. Why? Because the case was sub judice. And for as long as the case is sub judice, there is no reason as to why I respond. I'm a servant of court. I know the lips are unbound. You gave him enough airtime to insult me. I have no time to reply to that. We have time to build a nation. Our people are yearning for proper development, for constitutional accountability, for economic redress, and health post-COVID. I'm not party to the case anymore. You can go and appeal against the decision of the lower court like he did. Open up a petition. But for as long as I'm concerned, I'll not accept any vicegerents anymore that he has been sending in the name of asking me to forgive him of cost. Because he does these things well knowingly that it's meant to tarnish other people's names, and later caves up quietly and stealthily and sends emissaries to seek to be forgiven of cost. I think we've also run out of patience on that front. We welcome the ruling, and indeed, legally we were never served. 2, the remedies for service were never expressed. The time was still there.
Ono ye Sheikh Juma Katwanga omulombi w'edduwa omukugu mu kuvumula endwadde zino wammanga omuli amajinni amalogo ebisiraani olina lutwe business tetambula onoonya mulimu mwami oba mukyala amakaago gayuuga n'ebirala bingi ebigwa mu ttuluba eryo amwetaaze musange ekitebi okulirana ne Shell oba mukubire ku nnamba y'essimu 07535575744 07535575744 ye Sheikh Juma Katwanga ekitebi.